Hey there, measurement adventurers, and welcome. Get ready, because today we are going on an absolutely awesome adventure into the world of measurement. I promise it's going to be a total blast. Okay, so just look around you for a second. Have you ever wondered how we know exactly how long a kite string is, or how much yummy butter goes into a delicious cake, or even how much juice is in your cup? Yep, we use measurement for all of it. So let's dive right in. Today, you're officially on a quest to become a measurement master. And to do that, we need to uncover 3 secret codes. Think of them like power-ups. These codes are going to help us understand length, mass, and volume like never before. So are you ready for the quest? Let's do this. All right, quest number 1 is all about length. We're about to figure out the long and the short of it, from teeny tiny bugs all the way to huge distances. Let's master length. So first things first, what even is length? Well, it's actually super simple. It's just how long something is, or how much space is between 2 points. And to measure it, we use different tools for different jobs. You've got the tiny millimeters, then centimeters, bigger meters, and of course the super long kilometers for things like roads. And here we go, our very first secret code. Now listen closely, because this is the key. Whenever you're changing from a bigger unit to a smaller unit, you always use the multiply power up. So if you're going from kilometers to meters, you multiply by 1,000. From meters to centimeters, multiply by 100. And from centimeters to millimeters, you just multiply by 10. Okay, challenge time, adventurers. Check this out. We've got 2 robots. Robot S is 54.9 centimeters tall. And Robot T, well, he's just a little shorter, by 3/5 of a centimeter. So our mission, should you choose to accept it, is to figure out Robot T's height in millimeters. Let's break this down together. Step 1, we gotta find Robot T's height in centimeters first. Now that fraction, 3/5, is just another way of saying 0.6. So we take 54.9 and subtract 0.6, which gives us 54.3 centimeters. Easy, right? Now it's time to unleash our secret code. To get from centimeters to millimeters, we power up and multiply by 10. And the answer is, drumroll please, 543 millimeters. Yes, fantastic work. See how that secret code just made everything click into place? Boom, quest 1 complete. Wow, you totally crushed that first quest. But the adventure isn't over yet. Let's move on to our second quest to see what's next. It is time to master mass. Now, mass might sound like a fancy science word, but really it's just about how heavy something is. That's it. And for that, we usually use grams for lighter stuff and kilograms for the heavier things. Okay, for our second secret code. Does this look a little familiar? To change kilograms into grams, and remember, that's going from a big unit to a small one, we use our multiply power up again. And this time, it's a super strong times 1,000. All right, let's test this new code out with something delicious, a butter cake recipe. The recipe calls for 1/4 kilo in gram of butter and 0.1 kilograms of sugar. The challenge is, how much heavier is the butter than the sugar in grams? Okay, first we gotta get them both into grams using our power up. 1/4 kilo is 0.25, and times 1,000 is 250 grams. Then 0.1 kilo times 1,000 is 100 grams. Now we just find the difference. So, the butter is 150 grams heavier. You've nailed it again. Quest 2 is officially complete. You are doing an amazing job, adventurer. Okay, you are on a roll. We've taken down length, we've tackled mass, and now there's just one final quest standing between you and becoming a true measurement master. Let's do this. Let's master volume. Volume of liquid. That's just a way of saying how much stuff, liquid, can fit inside something. Think about your water bottle or a carton of juice. For this, we use tiny milliliters for small amounts and big liters for, well, larger amounts. And for our last secret code, I bet you think it's coming, right? To go from the big unit, liters, to the small unit, milliliters, we bring out our favorite multiply power up one last time. And just like with kilograms and grams, we're gonna multiply by 1,000. See, we've got this pattern down. Okay, it's time for the final challenge. We're being artists and mixing some paint. We've got 1.875 liters of blue paint and 125 milliliters of red paint. we need the total volume in milliliters. So first, let's convert that blue paint. We use our power-up. 1.875 times 1,000 gives us 1,875 milliliters. The red paint is already in milliliters, so that's easy. We just add them together. Add them together and we get 2,000 milliliters of awesome new paint. You did it! The final quest is complete. Seriously, amazing work. And just like that, the adventure is complete. You have officially done it. You faced every challenge, and you are now, without a doubt, a measurement master. So let's quickly review the awesome new powers you've just unlocked. So let's just recap your awesome new powers. The number one rule to remember is this. Anytime you go from a bigger unit to a smaller one, you power up and multiply. For length, it's by 10, 100, or 1,000. And for mass and volume, it's that super powerful times 1,000. These are your secret codes now. They'll help you solve any conversion problem. And I want you to always remember, you've absolutely got this. Try to think of math not as a bunch of boring rules, but as your own personal superpower for understanding this incredible world we live in. Oh, right, Master. I have one last challenge for you. And this one's for the real world. I want you to look around you right now. In your room, maybe outside your window. What's one thing you can find and measure using your new master skills? Go on your own little adventure and find out. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll catch you on the next one.